Hello, gardeners and natural plant lovers. Do you want your young pepper, tomato, and cucumber seedlings to be healthy, strong, and ready for the harvest season? Today I'm revealing a simple, cheap, and natural trick with dry yeast that we all have in our kitchen. This is not just a trick, this is the secret to healthy plants. Stay tuned until the end because I'll share the exact recipe and method of application. What is your favorite plant to grow? Leave a comment below: pepper, tomato, or cucumber, and of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our gardening tips. Today we're talking about dry yeast and something you haven't heard of yet. Dry yeast isn't just for the kitchen, it's a real miracle for your plants. When used to feed young seedlings, it helps with several key things. Yeast releases enzymes and compounds that help develop a strong root system. This allows plants to absorb water and nutrients from the soil more easily. Yeast strengthens the immunity of plants, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. The presence of B vitamins from yeast contributes to better resistance to stressful conditions, such as temperature changes. Here is the exact recipe. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1 liter of lukewarm water. Leave the mixture to stand for 2–3 hours so that the yeast can activate. Dilute the solution with 5 liters of water and use it to water young plants. Send this recipe now to your friends and see how it is used. Use the solution to water young seedlings once every 7–10 days. Be careful not to overdo it. Yeast is powerful and in small quantities gives excellent results. Thanks to this nutrition, pepper, tomato, and cucumber seedlings will get a healthier start and be ready for a bountiful harvest. And there you have it, a simple way to support your seedlings in a completely natural way. Try this trick and let us know the results in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more natural gardening tips. See you soon.